So,
Blake, get out of the picture.
so Doug is here, and Blake. So Blake, what do you think about this truck build?
Love it.
You love it.
Yeah.
So you have your marking stick right here. We finally got that in here, and those are really cool marking sticks, and you can extend them. It's just a pipe holder right there. You guys like the scrap box?
Very nice. Yeah.
It's 22 gauge scrap box. That was the most expensive part of the build, probably. $700 material. Yeah. Apart from the Ego, you guys paid what, like $1,500 or something for that?
Yeah.
We finally got the chop saw installed. Can you drop me the chop saw? I want to see how you do it. We're at gutter all right now. We picked up all the materials. So Blake is going to show us how the chop saw drops down. That's it. That's good enough. Yeah. And it's already plugged in. Right there. I actually kind of like it that the cord is up in the air like this. It's out of the way. Right. I don't know if you guys need a bag or something because this is going to be flying all over the place.
Right. Yeah, I'll order one.
But this is really comfortable because the chop saw is movable. Let's hop inside and Blake can show us, show me the wall here. Let's start by turning on the power on the generator. Now, I showed Blake how to use it. Go ahead. There.
Then to make it come alive.
And there. Yeah, but we do still need to plug it in. You want to come back here and plug it in? Oh, it's already plugged in. What do you know? Because this is right here plugged in. You can unplug and plug it to the house. So, Blake, I showed you how to do the power. You want to punch that and see which setting you like the intensity. Wow, you see, Doug? It's like really bright, or you can just turn it off altogether. I like to keep it on because I know my generator's on. So, what do we got here? We got all the paints, all the screws, Dove gray. You have more screws in there? Looks like you're missing like red. However, you'll do that at home, I guess. Okay. So, you got the drills here. I'm not sure how this is going to work because it doesn't have a ledge. So the stuff might fall off. That's why I gave you these baskets. Yeah. We got a full coil loaded here. And we showed you how to switch it. Mm-hmm. The bins you can use for end caps or whatever. You can still put all your elbows here. Chop saw has to go. Mm-hmm. You should probably keep a full can of gas in here just in case. Right. Somebody needs help. Your extension cord is right there.
Gotta put a blower in there.
Oh, yeah. You use the Makita one?
She has the Makita with the one battery, but I know she had the Makita blower with the two.
I like the one with the new, one battery, Makita. It's lightweight and more powerful.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
Yes. That's the 40 volt, right? I believe that's the 40 volt. So I think you can put like 15 boxes of downspouts in here. That's pretty exciting. 5-6 combo. Full size, not the junior. And it's got the upright and spool, and it's got the full-size crate. Any questions? You guys are ready to go get some work done. I know Doug and Blake picked up some of these. These are for the gutter helpers. You hang them, and then you can hang some gutters. You not have any 1-inch screws? Or you guys don't use them? The little tiny screws?
We got extras at the house.
Okay. You can put that box here if you wanted to. That's just an extra for like mollies or whatever, or pop rivets. So that's it for this box truck.